How to flush gas and bloating from your stomach with just 4 ingredients. If you frequently experience bloating caused by gas, well, you're not alone. In fact, 1 in 10 Americans deals with bloating despite the size of their food portion. Sometimes, bloating can become pretty critical, which can make prominent swelling. However, these gases are typically diet-related, and you can always change a few things to recover your condition. Here are a few foods you should avoid. Beans and lentils. There is an abundant sugar amount in these foods called oligosaccharides. It's a type of sugar that needs to be broken down by bacteria in your gut before it can be digested. Whole grains. These foods provide a lot of benefits, however, they also result in gases and bloating. Fiber is an indigestible carbohydrate, and when it is taken in a large amount can trigger constipation, bloating, and gas. You should drink lots of water, and increase fiber intake gradually. Thus, it helps the fiber from absorbing a great amount of water, which gives your body enough time to adjust. Sweeteners. Fructose is added to lots of processed foods and many people have trouble digesting it. Also, there's the sorbitol, which is an artificial sweetener that results in serious bloating. Therefore, you should limit the intake of these sugars. Dairy products. You must keep away from lactose, or milk sugar, as they may lead to abdominal discomfort and bloating. Fruits and veggies. Certain vegetables contain a high amount of starch and should be avoided, those are Brussels, cauliflower, sprouts, cabbage, and carrots. On the other hand, apricots and prunes are rich in natural sugars that may contribute to bloating and gas, as well. Here are 4 essential oils, that helps you flush gas and bloating from your stomach. Chamomile oil. Chamomile oil has been shown to help reduce intestinal inflammation and ease the ache from cramping. Moreover, chamomile prevents diarrhea, loss of appetite, motion sickness, chronic heartburn, nausea, and vomiting. Cumin oil. It's widely known that cumin oil works wonders for intestinal cramps and general pain in the stomach. Also, it helps in relieving symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome such as constipation, diarrhea, and flatulence. Peppermint oil. No matter what form you choose, you can benefit a lot from peppermint oil. You can use it by rubbing on your skin or taking it as a capsule. Either way, this oil has been shown to provide a great effect on those dealing with bloating. Ginger oil. Ginger is extremely helpful in the case of bloating, also it helps with motion sickness, nausea, lack of appetite, and pain. Thanks to its carminative properties, ginger can ease flatulence, gassiness, and abdominal discomfort.